Well, here's the guys doing the roof, and it's about 10 o'clock on, I guess it is Thursday morning, June the 9th. Perfect day for it, sunny, gonna be probably about 20 degrees today, so I look forward to them doing a good job here. And here's the guys working away from the backside here. A couple of fellas just showed up now. The back part of the roof was done in 2020, and exactly 3 years later, almost to the day, we're getting the front, or the north side. Down the south side was the rougher one. So anyway, we'll have a look at this a little bit later on and get a final video of it when it's done. The guys are still working away on the roof. It's coming along well. They're probably about, I don't know, 3/4 done with it now. Yeah, it looks good. It's a perfect day. 19 degrees Celsius, no rain, virtually no wind. Coming along great, and I suspect they'll probably be done by probably around, I would say 5 or before, maybe 4:30. So we'll see how it goes here, but yep, looking good. Well, it's 4:30 and the guys are getting pretty close to being done. I'll just kind of zoom in a bit on the roof there to see what it looks like, and yeah, you can really see the big difference there in the shingling. It looks exactly the same as it does in the back. So yeah, and they're starting to do a little bit of cleaning up there now as well. So I would suspect within about another hour or so these guys will be completely done. Get the cap on right now, and then get to do the front part over the garage, and then it'll be done. So we'll come out and get a view of that when they're fully completed. Well, it is, what time is it? 5:40. So the guys have left. The whole house, the roof is almost done. I see that there's a bit of the cap up on the, I guess my left, as I'm looking at the house over here on the east side of the house, that's not completed. And I guess there's a bit of the cap on the right hand side that's not completed yet either, on the west side of the house. But everything else looks like it's done. I see the guy's trailer still here. So they'll be back tomorrow, and they'll finish that. So anyway, it's looking really good, and we'll just get a film of it tomorrow when it's completely done.